Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can connect our Simatic Manager with TIA Portal V16 HMI Runtime. So let's get started. We will open our Simatic Manager software and here we will be click on next, or if you like to be choose your program from your library, click cancel only just and go to the folders or same like any which program you have to be already. For example, many programs are created, any program you can open and modify. For example, this is test simulation program I will open, and here is this PLC already selected, this one CPU 314C 2PNDP. So click on this one and go to the blocks OB1, and here you can create the project. But first of all, we will open this one hardware Simatic 300 station and go to the hardware. I will show you the hardware just. First we check this our digital inputs and output addresses and double click it on this one and go to the addresses and make it here 00 start address. In the inputs we will choose from start from 0 and end 2, and same as in outputs. Click OK. And also one more thing, we will be save this project, save and compile, and go to the communications, configure a network for with the HMI. For this one we will choose this network, and this is also compile and check again, maybe have some errors or something. It's working okay, it's nothing have any errors. So cancel this one, scroll this one down, also scroll this down and go to the blocks, and here we will create the project. For example, here we will choose one project. Go to the views, little power zoom factor, we will little make it big. I will go to visible. So this already have one program inside the PLC. If you like to be create new, for example, we can create new project. I will show you complete chaining how we can create this all project. For example, this M0.0 address, if you like to be change M1.0, I will be choose M1.0 address I will be choose, and here one close contact we will choose, and next one output we will choose, and here same as this one network also we will choose. This is total tags we will be choose, I think so we will choose M2.0, M2.0, M2.5, and output we can choose for Q0.5 or Q5.0 we will choose, and same as this one M4.0 address we will choose, M4.5 address we will be choose, and Q5.0 we will be choose. And this, and but first of all we have to be go to our main page, and here you have to be see the our simulation page. That is the must be, this is the in stop condition, and after you will be go to our this program page and download to the PLC that block loaded, it's okay. And simulation if you like to be check, you can see this is now PLC in stop mode. If you like to put in run mode, click on here run, to your PLC will be in run mode. So this is now clear. For example, this M2.0 we like to be trigger, so address we will give it here M2.0, and that's we will give the main on 0 it will be now on, and make it off. And M 4.0 also, if you need M 4.0, this is also make it on and off, it's working. So this is stop or on, this nothing issue. Scroll down, this our program is okay. And now we will link this program with TIA portal. So we will open our TIA portal software V16, and this program we will be scroll down after. This is our main page. Link, I think so already we will link this project, and here we will create new project. Link HMI with Simatic Manager. Simatic Manager, and click enter. Any name you can write it here, project name, which project you like to be create, you can create this one. So, oh sorry, this is this one, and open. And here configure a device, go to add new device, and here we will choose the HMI. Which HMI we need for this one? Basic panel we will take. For this 10 inches we will take, for example, this KTP 1000 basic plus, and this second model for Profinet address we will be add. And this our HMI is added. So I let make little it scroll down, good visible. And after you have to be go, first step you have to be go to the connections, double click it on this connections, and here you have to be give the tags. First this one you have to be select this your communication driver, which PLC you like to be connect with this Simatic Manager, this sorry, this TIA portal, this HMI, this PLC you have to be select. So we will choose this Simatic S7-300 400, and this one okay, and just go to the HMI tags, click on HMI tags, and default tag table, double click it on this one, and this tag table you can see it here, and here you have to be write your tags, Jenny. For example, this I will make small, and I will make it the right, and here we will open our this page, and this also is running condition, and here we will take, and here we will give our tags. For example, this tag I will give start, or reverse we can give REW reverse. This can be think about this is reverse motor signal, and M 4.0 is our forward motor. So this is we can make for reverse, and here we will make for forward. FWD we can write forward, and next we will take for motor, MOTOR motor reverse, motor reverse, and MOTOR motor FWD forward. This four tags we will be define, and these four tags we have to be first here data type we have to be define, which data type we like to be using. This is the bool data type, so we click on bool. This is also bool, this is also bool, this is also bool, and this one is also bool. Okay, and this one connection we have to be choose this one. This is connection is connection 1 and click OK. And this one also same is this one address is M2.0, click enter. And this one same as this address also we have to be define this one connection 1, click OK. And this first all tags we will be define this for connection 1, click enter. And same as this one, first we choose for M2.0, and this is we will choose for M4.0. M4.0 address we will give, and this one we have to be give output. What's the address over Q4.0, and that one is address how much Q5.0. But we will cross check this one. First is 5.0, second one is also we design 5.0, but it will we will be change this one. This is one we have to be put 4.0. Stop this one simulation, and this one 4.0 will be right, because tags must be right properly and after download. So this is maybe not download because of this, we have to be must in stop condition, and after you can download the program, and when block loaded after you can put in run condition. Okay, this must be understand. So this is our tags are now completed. So next what we have to do, go to the root screen, and here we will design our HMI. An example, we need first two buttons, and this button if you like to change the size you can make it little bigger, and after control C and down control V. So this is we can give the name start, or what we make reverse EW reverse, and that one we will make FWD forward. And if you like to be size little change, you have to be just click it on this one, after this will be make it bigger. And this also if you like to look bigger, same as can be click after you will be see. And next you like to be take the indication, for example you need to status, see the our motor status. There is a with 2 bits we used, and also control C, and here we will make control V. And so now this tags we have to be defined. How we define the tags? Just only click this, go to the properties, and here you can see this buttons. When you like to be designing, you have to be go to the events, must be go to the events and click on press. After add function, for example this one set bit we will choose this set bit, and tag here you can choose, go to the tags, and forward or reverse this one reverse tag, and click OK. And after again you have to be release this one, same add function, reset bit, same tag you will be choose, reverse, click OK. And these tags are final now. Next you have to be release also, press set bit, same as set bit, and tag you have to be choose which one we choose, forward, this one tag, click OK. And for release function also same, reset bit and go to the tags, and here you can choose forward. Forward we already choose, I think so, because of this is press also, yeah, forward, and release also forward, same. Once we will press, it will be on, and second press will be when we release this one, after this will be off. And these tags are completed, and now we go to the this animation. So not events, this will go to the animations. Here animations, click it here, and first define the tag, which tag you like to be define. This is motor forward, for example, or reverse this one. I don't know, this one we have to be check here again. This one we define for reverse, I think so, reverse. So we have to be choose here a reverse, no sorry, motor reverse, and click OK. Okay, and that one you have to be choose here in range, add news in zero state, which color you like to, which color you want, for example red color, click on red. And again at the one state, which color you want, for example you need green color, click on green, any color you can choose. So after next this one, this tags are completed, range, type, okay. This second we will choose also, same go here, you can motor choose forward and click enter 5.0. And this one range is also new 0, color which you want, red. And next one is one state, you choose for green, for example, so green. This also be okay, and save the project, this one, and save project. After you can go to the simulation, and if you have not have any error, it will, our runtime will be okay. So you can see our runtime is now ready. Which colors we defined, these colors are okay, and we go our main program. This I will little make it, we will manage this one here, HMI, and this is also, and this is, we will make it simulation. Now it's running and healthy, and we will click on the reverse function, and you can see when we click on the function reverse, our green light is on and our Q 4.0 is on, and when we release, this is off, yani, because we not make it any holding or something. If you like to be make holding, also can be make, same as this one. When you click this one, your MQ 5.0 is now on. When I release this one, after this will be off. Again I will check this one, and again we will check this one. Our both release are function properly. Also you like to be animations like to be made in the program. Here is a many have huge library, you can choose this here functions, basic just controls, elements. So hope guys you will be understand about this one, how we can connect our Simatic Manager with the runtime of TIA Portal V16. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.